you know that your body has over 50 different hormones that regulate everything from your mood to your metabolism? Balancing them naturally can lead to some amazing changes in your overall health. Hormonal balance is a delicate harmony between multiple hormones working together in perfect sync. When our hormones are in balance, we feel energized, motivated, and confident. When they're not, it can throw our entire body out of whack, leading to a range of symptoms that can affect havoc on our daily lives. The importance of hormonal balance cannot be overstated. It's the key to unlocking optimal health, weight management, and even mental well-being. Yet, so many of us struggle with hormonal imbalances, often without even realizing it. So, what happens when our hormones are out of balance? The consequences of neglecting this crucial aspect of our health. When our hormones are imbalanced, we might experience fatigue, mood swings, and weight gain. We might struggle with anxiety, depression, and insomnia. Our skin might break out, our hair might fall out, and our libido might plummet. The list goes on and on. These issues are increasingly relevant in today's society, where chronic stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep are the norm. It's no wonder that hormonal imbalances are on the rise, affecting millions of people worldwide. We live in a world where we are constantly exposed to toxins, pollutants, and artificial chemicals that disrupt our hormonal balance. We're constantly connected, constantly stimulated, and constantly stressed. It's a recipe of disaster, and our hormones are paying the price. The consequences of hormonal imbalance are far-reaching and devastating. They can lead to serious health conditions, like thyroid disorders, adrenal fatigue, and even certain types of cancer. But here's the thing, hormonal imbalances are not a life sentence. There are natural ways to restore balance, and I'm excited to share some of them with you in this video. One of the most effective ways to restore hormonal balance is through dietary changes. Eating a balanced diet, sufficient whole foods, fruits, vegetables can help support hormonal function. Foods like leafy greens, omega-rich fish, and antioxidant rich berries can help reduce inflammation and promote hormonal balance. Exercise is another powerful tool in the fight against hormonal imbalances. Regular physical activity can help regulate insulin, boost mood, and even support thyroid function. And not just about intense workouts. Even gentle exercises like yoga and walking can make a huge difference. Stress management is also crucial for hormonal balance. Chronic stress can disrupt our adrenal glands, leading to cascade of hormonal imbalances. That's why practices like meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness are essential for hormonal health. And let's not forget about sleep. When we don't get enough sleep, our hormones go haywire. Our cortisol levels spike, our insulin resistance increases, and our entire hormonal system is thrown off balance. But the good news is that these natural methods are backed by science. Studies after study have shown that dietary changes, exercise, stress management, and sleep can all have a profound impact on hormonal balance. For example, one study found that a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids can reduce symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS) by up to 50%. Another study found that regular exercise can reduce symptoms of menopause by up to 75%. These natural methods are not just effective, but they also empowering. We take control of our hormonal health, take control of our lives. We feel more confident, more energized, and more in tune with our bodies. At this point, I'm going to share a powerful story with you that illustrates the transformative effects of using natural hormonal balance methods. I had a friend named Sarah who had been struggling with hormonal imbalances for years, experiencing mood swings, fatigue, and weight gain. After making some changes to her diet and exercise routine, she began to notice a profound shift in her body. Her energy returned, her mood stabilized, and she lost over 20 pounds. It was like a weight had lifted off her shoulders, literally. Sarah's story is not unique. I've seen it time and again. People who have taken control of their hormonal health and transformed their lives as a result. It's a testament to the power of natural balance, and it's a reminder that we don't have to suffer in silence. So, what can you take away from this video at this point? Firstly, hormonal balance is crucial for overall health and well-being. Secondly, hormonal imbalances are increasingly prevalent in today's society. Thirdly, there are natural ways to restore balance and promote hormonal health. I want to encourage you at this point to take action today. Start by making small, simple changes to diet, exercise, routine, and stress management strategies. Start prioritizing sleep and self-care. Start taking control of your hormonal health. Okay? If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more health related content. Check out our other videos on hormonal health, and also share your stories and experiences in the comments below. Let's take control for hormonal health together.